Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Video, we got something a little bit different. What do we got, my brother?
Hey, we got an unboxing.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We got an
Yes, sir.
unboxing. Unboxing. Yep. So let me just go on and get right to it. Right. Hey, one thing I like about this here is check this out.
You got your soulmate, huh?
That's right. That's right. So what we got in my box? Uh-oh.
Drum
Hey,
roll.
hey, hey, he's back.
Oh,
Yes,
oh.
he's back. Boom,
Yes,
boom, boom,
sir.
boom, boom. Yes, sir. He's back. My
Yes,
boy,
sir.
yay. Hey, my boy
Yay, Zay.
Kanye. Hey, easy, right? Hey, what we call him?
Special K.
Special K. That's right.
Special
Hey,
K.
hey, check out that video right there. Special K came through. He's back. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Y'all always knew I was a fan, right? Come on, man. Come on now. I just had him on feet today
Yes,
and
sir.
still smell like money. Hey,
Can't
still,
go wrong with those.
still smell like money. Thank you, Special K.
Yes,
But
sir.
I had to go ahead and treat myself thanks to my brother. Appreciate my brother. But you see
Yes,
the
sir.
size. You see the big boy size, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's take a look and see what
You
we
got my
working with.
brother.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I had to go ahead and make it do what it do. Bam.
Oh man,
Yes,
triple
sir.
black.
Yes, sir. Hey, all black, all black on feet. Let me get that.
Yes, sir.
Let me get this out the way, my brother. Hey, all black on feet. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. Hey, check this out. I got the brother. I got the brother. Then I had to go get the sister. Yes, sir. Right. Right. First look. Hey, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And reason why this shoe stands out to me because it's all black.
Mhm.
That there, you can't go wrong with all black. I like it. Right. Yeah. Real deal. Real deal. Hey, Special K. Hey, much love. Much love. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. But these here, it's a must have. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking these or dropping these. But these here is a must have for many reasons. For many reasons. The first reason, they're comfortable. This
Yes,
shoe
sir.
here is a very comfortable shoe. At one time, I didn't like it until my son, he snatched up a pair of the zebra print and I seen
Mhm.
him on his feet. And I'm like, you know what? That ain't a bad shoe. Went ahead, snatched that up, then loved it so much. Hey, I don't think I'm done, my brother.
Uh-oh.
I don't think I'm done with them. I don't think I'm done with them because this shoe right here, it speaks volumes. It speaks volume. So, hey, Special K, nice work, my brother, with them. And I'm a true fan of yours. So these right here, appreciate. But I just wanted to do a little quick video of an unboxing of my second pair of Special K Yeezys on feet.
Yes,
Appreciate.
sir.
Yes, sir. So what you think about them, my brother?
Oh, I love those 350 black Onyx. They're a beautiful shoe. You can't go wrong with those, especially in the wintertime. Just put them on feet and just rock them, beat them up. You don't want to have to worry about getting dirty or nothing. It's the perfect winter shoe. And like you said, we are getting older and we need comfortability shoes in our life. We know that the Jordan, some of their shoes, after a long time, periods of time as you get older, they hurt your feet. So how about those, my brother? Are you able to rock those all day long?
Say again.
So are you able to rock those all day long as far as
Yes.
that?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Like these here.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
super comfortable. Super comfortable. Able to put these on and hey, feel like you walking on cotton.
And what I like about those shoes too, not only the comfortability of them, but it's still an iconic shoe. So tell us a story, like when you put them on, what's the people's reaction when they see those on your feet?
Hey, when they see them on my feet, it's like this. Pizzazz.
Yes, sir.
It got that pizzazz, right? This shoe, the shoe alone just speaks money. Just speaks money. Just alone. People already know what's what, right?
Yes,
They
sir.
already know what's what, you know. And out the gate, there's knockoffs out there. But if you don't get that foam right here,
That boost.
yeah, you see that? Yeah. You know what it remind me of? You know that styrofoam. You
Mm-hmm.
remember that you can pull? That's what it remind me of. So hey, for those out there knowing if you got the real or the fake, first thing I would do, since
Not
I
the
haven't,
KOs.
hey,
Not the KOs.
the knockoffs, trust and believe. Trust and believe. First thing I would go to is the bottom of it.
Yes, sir.
And right there, go tell it all. That go tell it all. And you got that boost on there, right? But this right here, go tell it all. You want to see it on both, right? You want to see it on the heel and on the toe. And if you're
Yes,
not getting that, hey, you got you a KO, a knockoff, right? You see him right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, you got you a KO, right? And don't be that guy. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking these or dropping those. But my brother,
So we know that the Yeezys are not in right now, but it doesn't matter when you finally get to rock a shoe and you like them. Hey, like I always tell people, cop whatever you like. Don't worry about the hype. Just do you, baby, and you'll be all right.
that's it.
Just want to send a special thanks to everyone who's been watching our channel, and we want to wish everyone happy holidays. And if we don't see y'all before New Year's, happy New Year's too.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.